I'm almost 40. Pero bakit parang Gen-Z pa rin manamit? Honestly, hindi ko na rin alam. Siguro kasi fashion keeps me young. While others are checking maintenance medicines, ako nag-check ng bagong outfit inspiration sa TikTok. Habang yung iba gusto ng tahimik na buhay, ako gusto ko pa rin ng slay. Pero for me, age is just a number. Hindi porket pa 40 ka na, bawal ka nang mag-crop top, mag-sneakers, or magpa-cute sa mirror. Life is already stressful, so why not enjoy dressing up and expressing yourself? Fashion is my way of showing confidence, creativity, and happiness. And coming from a visual merchandising background, I learned that presentation matters, not to impress other people, but to make yourself feel confident and alive. So whether you're 20, 30, 40, or beyond, always wear what makes you happy. Basta comfortable ka, confident ka, and hindi ka mukhang naligaw sa okay-okay challenge, then go lang ng go. Bye! Thank you for watching.